The next chapter is fourth chapter, linear equations. Topics to be covered: what is an equation, solution of an equation, applications of equation. The first one is, what is the equation? Sentence has two arithmetical expressions with an equal to sign between them. Such a statement is called an equality or a statement of equality. When a statement of equality involves one or more literal numbers, that is variables, it is called an equations. For example, x plus 4 is equal to 5 is the equation. Here a number added to 4 gives 5. Another example, 2x plus y is equal to 8. Twice a number added to another number gives 8. Another example, x squared plus 4 is equal to 8. Here the square of a number added to 4 gives 8. In this three equations, the first two are only the linear equations. Here the third equation is power of x squared. So it is not a linear equations. These two are linear equations. Next one is solutions of an equation. The value of the variable that satisfy an equation is called the solution or the root of the equations. For example, x plus 3 is equal to 10. Now here substitute x is equal to 3. The LHS 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. But the RHS is 10. Here 6 not equal to 10. The process of finding the correct values of the variable that satisfy an equation is called solving the equations. Any operation done on one side of an equation has to be done on another side also for the equation to remain true. We get the following rules. The first one is, if you add a number to the LHS, then you should add the same number to the RHS also. Example, x minus 10 is equal to 21. Now you can add, here the x is a variable, 10 is a constant value, is equal to 21. So you can cancel out the 10. So x in left hand side only the variables. So you have only variables only. So x minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 21 plus 10. Plus 10 and minus 10 cancel. X is equal to 31. The next point is, if you subtract a number from the LHS, then you should subtract the same number from the RHS also. Example, x plus 6 is equal to 17. Now you can subtract negative 6 on both sides. X plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 17 minus 6. 6 cancel. Here 0, x plus 0. So x is equal to 17 minus 6 is 11. X is equal to 11. Third rule, if you multiply the LHS by a number, then you should multiply the RHS by the same number. Example, x by 4 is equal to 9. Now multiply the 4 on both sides. X by 4 into 4 is equal to 9 into 4. 4 cancel. X is equal to 36. Last rule, if you divide the LHS by a number, then you should divide the RHS also by the same number. example, 15x is equal to 60. Now you can divide 15 on both sides. 15x by 15 is equal to 60 by 15. 15 cancel. X is equal to 4. Exercise 4.1. First question. From new equation by carrying out the actions given in brackets on other sides of the equations. The question is 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. Multiply by 2. Solution. Multiply by 2 on both sides. 2 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 13 into 2. So now using the distributive law, 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 13 into 2 is 26. Now the new equation is 4x plus 6 is equal to 26. First question, homework sums. Second question, third, fourth, fifth Roman, sixth Roman. These are homework sums for first questions. Second question, solve each of the following equations and check your solution by substituting its value in the equation. The question is 6 is equal to 3 into a minus 3. Solution. Write down the question. 6 is equal to 3 into a minus 3. Here LHS is 6, as it is 6. Using the distributive law, 3 into a, 3a, minus 3 into 3, 9. Now find the variable values. So you can cancel out the constant value. Here the constant value is negative 9. How will you cancel out the negative 9? The positive 9 added 2 on both sides, like negative 9 will be cancelled. So 6 plus 9 is equal to 3a minus 9 plus 9. 9 cancelled. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 equal to 3a. Here 3 into a. Now we want only the a values. Here 3a. So you can cancel out the 3 by dividing 3 on both sides. 15 by 3 is equal to 3a by 3. 3 cancel. Here 5 times. So a is equal to 5. Finding the a value, here a is equal to 5. The question is check your solution by substituting its values in the equation. Now you can substitute the a value in this equation. Substituting a is equal to 5 in equation. Here the equation is 6 is equal to 3 into a minus 3. 6 is equal to 3 into 5 minus 3. Using the BD-MOS rule, 3 bracket values, performing first bracket values, 5 minus 3 into 2. 6 is equal to 6. Exercise 4.1. Second homework sums. Second Roman, sixth Roman and seventh Roman. These are the homework sums.